Welcome back to Julia Outfit, where style grows wiser with age. Today's story walks through familiar wardrobe traps men over 50 still fall into, then calmly replaces each one with a smarter, sharper alternative. Think of it as a style renovation, room by room, outfit by outfit. Baggy everything. The mistake is drowning in oversized clothes. The fix is a clean, tailored blazer with a relaxed shoulder, paired with straight-leg trousers that skim the body without clinging, restoring structure instantly. Tight jeans from another era. Skin-tight jeans fight both comfort and dignity. Swap them for dark wash straight or slim straight denim that follows your frame, paired with a soft knit for balance. Shiny dress shoes only. Over-polished shoes can feel dated. Replace them with matte leather loafers or suede derbies that feel modern, grounded, and far more versatile for daily wear. Loud logos everywhere. Big logos shout instead of speak. Choose a minimal crewneck sweater in a solid tone, letting fabric quality and fit quietly signal confidence and maturity. Wrinkled button-down shirts. Crumpled shirts drain authority. The fix is a crisp Oxford or poplin shirt, lightly structured, worn slightly open at the collar for relaxed sophistication. Cargo pants overload. Bulky pockets add unnecessary volume. Switch to tailored chinos in neutral shades, keeping the silhouette clean while staying comfortable all day. sneakers past their prime. Worn-out sneakers age you fast. Upgrade to clean leather sneakers in white or tan, paired with chinos and a knit polo for youthful polish. Ignoring layers completely. Flat outfits feel unfinished. Add a lightweight cardigan or fine-gauge sweater over a shirt to create depth without visual heaviness. Too much black all the time. All black can feel harsh. Introduce charcoal, navy, or olive, softening the look while keeping it masculine and timeless. Boxy suits from the closet archive. Outdated suits lack shape. Replace them with a modern cut suit featuring softer shoulders and tapered trousers, instantly sharpening posture and presence. Graphic tees from the past. Busy prints feel nostalgic in the wrong way. A plain, well-fitted t-shirt under a casual jacket brings quiet confidence and modern ease. Neglecting outerwear style. Random jackets confuse the look. Choose a classic trench, wool coat, or field jacket that frames the outfit and elevates everything underneath. Shorts that are too long. Oversized shorts shorten your frame. Tailored knee-length shorts with a polo or linen shirt keep proportions sharp and intentional. Mismatched colors. Clashing tones create chaos. Stick to a cohesive palette of 2 or 3 colors, letting harmony do the heavy lifting. Overly formal belts. Chunky belts feel stiff. Swap for a slim leather belt or woven style that blends naturally with both casual and smart outfits. Forgetting texture. Flat fabrics feel lifeless. Mix textures like wool, cotton, and suede to add richness without relying on bold colors. Outdated glasses styles. Old frames date the face. Modern, slightly angular frames refresh your entire look even before the outfit speaks. Shirts too long or too short. Poor proportions distract the eye. Proper shirt length, hitting just below the belt line, keeps the body visually balanced. Ignoring casual tailoring. Casual doesn't mean sloppy. A tailored casual jacket over a t-shirt creates effortlessness that still looks intentional. Dressing without confidence. The biggest mistake is hesitation. When fit, color, and comfort align, confidence becomes the final layer that makes every outfit work.